Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Manipuri Sankirtana. It is a form of performing art involving ritual singing, drumming and dancing performed in the temples and domestic spaces in Manipur state. It is practiced primarily by Vaishnava community in Manipur. It is also practiced by Vaishnava Manipuri population settled in neighboring states like Tripura and Assam. This art form is recognized as UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity during UNESCO's Intergovernmental Committee held in Baku, Azerbaijan. The Kirtan form of congregational singing accompanies dance, which is known as Sankirtana in Manipur. The male dancers play the pung and kartal while dancing. The masculine aspect of dance, the choloms, are part of this tradition. The pung and kartal choloms are performed at all social and religious festivals. Sankirtana has two main social functions. 1. It brings people together on festive occasions throughout the year, acting as a cohesive force within Manipuri Vaishnava community. The second one is it establishes and reinforces relationships between individual and community through life cycle ceremonies. Thus, it is regarded as visible manifestation of God. It is always performed in Mandala, that is a circular area inside a mandapa, a hall attached to a temple or erected in the courtyard. It employs musical instruments such as drums and cymbals. Now let us see a question based on this. With reference to Manipuri Sankirtana, consider the following statements. 1. It is a song and dance performance. This is true. 2. Cymbals are the only musical instruments used in the performance. This statement is false. We should be careful whenever the extreme words are used like only, all, nothing but. So, this statement is false. Cymbals and drums are both musical instruments used in this performance. Statement number 3. It is performed to narrate the life and deeds of Lord Krishna. This is also true. So, the correct answer is B, 1 and 3 only. Thank you.